What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Borkis from Bendy and the Dark Revival. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw an oval for the nose. We'll start at the very top, right in the middle, come all the way around towards the bottom, and pull that back up towards the top. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side, and then we'll fill the bottom of the nose in black, going around that highlight. Let's move out to the side and draw the bottom edge of the muzzle. On the left side of the nose, let's step out, curve this around, down towards the bottom. Just pull that up in the center. I'm just going to mirror that over on the right side, going all the way around and then back in towards the same height. Let's add two half circles on the side, going around and then in. And then we'll fill those half circles in black. We're also going to add three small dots on either side of the muzzle. Let's start on the top, start with one point, step down, draw another one, and then go in between and out towards the left and add one more. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, bottom, and one on the outside. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the eyes. Let's start on the left side, right in the center, start with a point. Let's line this up over on the right and do the same thing. Now from that center point, we're going to draw two angled lines going up and out towards the left, come down towards the bottom, and do the exact same thing on the right. Now I want to connect the ends with an oval going all the way around. So come down towards the bottom of the eye, go up towards the top, and then back down. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now we're going to add that trim around the eyes. Let's start right in the center with a point. From here we're going to curve this up toward the left, go around the eye, and then bend that down on top of the mouth. Go back to the center and do the same thing on the right side. Let's go around the mouth, going out, down, and then in towards the side of the muzzle. Now on top of the cheeks, we're going to draw the outside of the head. Let's start with the left. We're going to go straight up. I'm just going to round up the top, coming in towards the middle. Go across, and then come straight down on top of the right cheek. Now we're going to place the ears on top of the head, leaving a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left, bend this up, and then out. Go over towards the right, and do the same thing. Now I want to round out the tip of the ear, coming around and then down. And then we'll just taper the ear so it gets narrower as you come back in on top of the head. Let's switch to our ultra thick black marker and fill the inside of the ears and the top of the head. Now let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the side of the neck, leaving a gap in the center. Let's draw two lines, one coming down on the left and one on the right. Now I want to place the arms on top of the body. So from the base of the neck, curve the arms going out, and then bring that down towards the wrist, go over towards the right, and bring that down towards the same height. Let's round out the wrist, and down and then up. And it'll follow the curve of the arm going up and then in. Let's add a thick cuff around the wrist. On the left, step up, bend this around and then in. Do the same thing on the inside. And we'll repeat that over on the right. Let's go to the bottom of the cuff on the inside, draw a small half circle for the thumb, and add a bracket on the end. Now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom curve of the thumb, and come down and bend that up around that bracket. Step down, go down and then up. And then the third finger, we're going to go all the way around and just tuck that up underneath the cuff on the outside. Now let's move up and draw in those straps. From the top of the arm, step up, draw a straight line coming down. Do the same thing on the right. Now on the bottom, we're going to draw a small oval for the button. Let's draw the inside of the strap, going straight up towards the shoulders. Let's draw a straight line going across the center of the body. Step down and draw that 2 more times. Let's go to the side of the button, curve the body going out and then down in behind the arms. Now we're going to line up at the bottom of the thumb, move to the center, add a curve, going up and then down. And then in the middle, bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel. Go back to the center, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, bend the foot, coming down and then up on both sides. Now we're going to go back to the left side, draw the top of the foot. We're going to go up and then bend that down, aim towards the heel. And we'll just curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's add a small highlight oval along the top of each foot. And then from the top of the foot, we're going to curve the leg going up and just bend that in underneath the hands. Let's add that square pocket in the center of the body. So we'll go across the top, come down the sides, and close off the bottom. And we'll add those patches across the knee, from the top of the foot, step up, bend this in and up. Go straight up towards the top, and bend this down and then out. Now going back to our thick black marker, let's fill in the neck, arms, and the feet. Let's finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Borkis from Bendy and the Dark Revival. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.